There's a way to recover your phone without deleting any information. It's a process that doesn't require formatting or resetting your phone. We can access it even if we've forgotten our screen lock. In this video tutorial, we'll explain how to access your device and recover it without losing any information. How do we access our phone without deleting anything? Without losing data, without losing information? Well, in this video tutorial, we'll explain it step by step so you can use it. One of the easiest and fastest ways resetting your device is to do just that. To access your phone without this video tutorial will explain everything, as this is an alternative. This is an alternative that sometimes happens when we change a password or pattern or any screen lock. After a while, we might forget it. So, if we forget our information, the screen lock, and that's your case, the first thing we need to know is, I just forgot it. The screen lock. What happens? What you have to do: don't turn off the phone. Don't restart the phone for this to work. Having said all that, if we have done that we haven't turned it off, we haven't restarted it, the method will work for you. Because when we always add what is a screen lock on these updated devices, we always add our fingerprint on our phone. If that is the case, that you added a fingerprint and you let yourself in with the fingerprint, this is the alternative to be able to access your phone. What we have to do: save all the information that we can. Make a backup, because that is what happens when we forget the screen lock. The only way to recover it is to format it. But before that, we have to do the following. If you have a Google account, you have to go to the Google account and delete that Google account, because if you don't delete the Google account, it will ask for it later. So delete that account, and then it will give you that access. Reset it. Once you have done that recovery, reset it, and it will give you what you need. That device will be without a Google account.